Most people get DeFi wrong. They think all yield platforms are the same, but Harvest Finance has some unique features worth knowing. I've been using it, and here's my honest review. Harvest Finance is a decentralized finance platform that helps you earn yield on crypto assets through automated strategies. You deposit tokens like USC, DAI, or ETH, and the platform reallocates them into high-yield opportunities. The surprising truth is that the automation takes away the complexity. You don't need to manually move funds between different protocols. During my usage, I noticed yields can be volatile. Most people get this wrong by expecting fixed returns. DeFi yields fluctuate based on market conditions. Harvest also charges performance fees on profits, usually around 10%, which is important to factor in when calculating net earnings. Security is another consideration. Harvest uses smart contracts audited by third parties, but like all DeFi platforms, there's always some risk. Most people underestimate this. Never deposit more than you're willing to lose. In conclusion, Harvest Finance is ideal for crypto users looking for automated yield farming. It's easy to use, transparent, and can generate decent returns. But remember that DeFi always carries risk. Subscribe for more honest DeFi reviews so you can make smarter crypto decisions.